Hello, friends. All right, so this is day 2 of subtracting using a number line. Okay, yesterday you did a worksheet similar to this one, but a little bit different because on the worksheet from yesterday, you already had the first number identified on the number line for you with the little dinosaurs. Today, your number line is completely blank. All it has is the numbers. So you have to mark these numbers on the number line in order to find the answer to the subtraction equation. Okay, so Ms. Garcia is going to show you an example of how you're going to complete this worksheet today. Okay, I'm going to do this first problem and this second problem. And then you are going to do all 4 problems. Okay? All right, so let me get a marker here. Okay. Oh, well, let's not do a marker. Let's do a pencil. Let's see what color. Let's go with green. Okay, so we have first 9 minus 3. We want to know what the answer is to that problem. 9 minus 3. So we're first going to look at the first number in our equation, and that is the number 9. I'm going to go up here to my number line, and I'm going to find the number 9. And I'm going to draw a dot on that number here. Okay. All right. So here is the number 9. That is where we're going to start, and we're going to hop backwards. Okay. How many spaces do we have to hop back? That is the second number. So we're going to jump back 3 spaces from 9. So we're going to count when we hop. 1, 2, 3. What number did we land on? That number is 6. So our answer to this problem, 9 minus 3, is 6. Okay? All right, let's go to the second problem. We have 8 minus 5. So we're looking at this first number. The first number is 8. So we're going to go on to the number line. We're going to find the number 8. There it is. And that is where we're going to start. Okay? So we have 8. We need to find out how many spaces we're going to jump back. We're going to jump back 5 spaces. So here we go. We're going to start on 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What number did we land on? 3. 8 minus 5 is 3. Okay? You are going to do the same for the rest of these problems. Okay? Good luck. Remember, the first number is the number you put a dot on the number line. That's where you're going to start. The second number represents how many times you're going to jump back. Okay? Good luck.